Hello, in this video I'd like to talk about some of the shortcomings and wish list for VirtualRollCall 3.0. So these are some features that we would have liked to have implemented, but unfortunately we did not have enough time. So first we have user story 311. Change map position based on the selected watch order. So as an officer, I would like for the watch order map position to change based on the selected watch order from the list table. So for example, if I am an officer, I'm viewing the map, and for instance, I'm viewing a watch order that is in this location. I'd like to be able to click here on this table and then automatically have the map position change and center on the selected watch order. Very similar to that, user story 313, highlight the selected watch order. As an officer, I would like for the selected watch order from the map to be highlighted in the watch order list table so that I can quickly locate a watch order in the list. So this is kind of the opposite of that. If I click a watch order, I would like for that watch order to also be highlighted at the same time in this table here. User story 314, change document order based on officer preference. So as an officer, I would like to have several options to change the order in which documents are displayed so that I can choose the best ordering for my needs. So by default, when an officer looks at their documents in a specific category, first the pending documents will be displayed, then the reviewed, then the done documents. The officer should have some sort of a drop down here, and they can choose the different order that they would like to see the documents. Maybe they want to see them by the date that they were added. Maybe they want to see the done documents first or the reviewed documents first. So it would be nice if the officers had that option so that they can view the documents according to their needs. So user story 315, add real-time chat messages. As a supervisor, I would like to send a chat message to all officers so that I can get immediate feedback from any officer. So right now in virtual roll call, the communication is sort of unidirectional. The supervisors send information to the officers, but the officers can never communicate back to the supervisors. So we'd like to add some sort of a chat feature so that the officers can maybe comment on a document, maybe ask a question to the supervisor, and then have the supervisor respond. User story 316, add voice messages. As a supervisor, I would like to be able to upload voice messages so that I can send audio information to the officers. So this is a new type of document that we will be adding to the application. Instead of having text documents or Word document or PDFs, now we'd have audio messages. Sometimes it would be better for the supervisor to record themselves or record others and put this information on the application. User story 317, improve password security. So as an administrator, I would like to have stronger password requirements to improve the general security of the application. So we'd like to implement stricter password requirements, such as having special characters in the password, having a uppercase and lowercase letters, having numbers. So this will make the application more secure. Finally, we have user story 318, close the Windows session. So as an officer, I want to close the Windows session after I log out so I don't preserve access across multiple pages. So this is for security purposes. I want the Windows session to be closed automatically after a certain period of time so that if I leave my computer unattended, then someone else can't log in and use the application. So these are all the features that we'd like to implement in version 4.0 of Virtual Roll Call.